Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Sony LinkBuds with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top, but if you don't have it, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings, and after that open the charging case. At the back side of the charging case we have connection button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go. We just entered to prank mode, so we can see it at the device list. Click connect. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!